Raja Yoga meditation, or knowledge, or Jnana Yoga, or Karma Yoga, or selfless, for Bala Yoga, Gandhiji, Martin Luther King, people were consciously or unconsciously following this path. Every path is equally valid. Every path we will have our own preferences. And I wouldn't elaborate what was a very deep topic, but I will mention one or two incidents in every topic. When Swami Vivekananda was in Chicago after the world's famous speech in 1893, when the whole Western world stood up and clapped for the ancient Dharmic Sanatana Dharma civilization, he was invited to many places. He was invited to churches, universities, Cambridge, ashrams there to give speech. So while he was giving speech in one particular college, a group of 3 youngsters came and made noise there. They were continuously shouting that there is no God, there is no God. People are unnecessarily creating troubles. Then instead of getting angry, Vivekananda smiled. Vivekananda called all the 3 to the stage and said, "Why are you raising noise?" They say the whole concept of God is nonsense. Atheism is right. We go to church, mosque, temple and create noise and create all the ruckus because you are all fooling the people. Vivekananda said, "Very good. Come and take seat on the stage." They were shocked because whenever they used to create problems in either churches or mosques or any other places, they were thrown out. This saffron-clad sannyasi from India is respecting them for insulting their concepts of gods. And they were surprised. They asked Mr. Vivekananda, wherever we raise something like this, we are thrown out because devotees throw us out. You are the first person who are giving us a stage, you are giving us honor. Why is it so? Vivekananda said, it was a college. Vivekananda said, you are all youngsters. Many people, they say they are believers. 99% they say believers, but they have their own doubts inside. They have their own samshaya. They have their own questions. Out of either formality, they never ask. Out of custom, they never ask. They have their heads. But you people have started your spiritual evolution. You have started asking questions. It's very good. So your path is not Bhakti Yoga. Your path is Jnana Yoga. And you will have it later. And immediately a person becomes Swami Sannyasis and all the people later followed them here. So all paths, all isms or all methods have their own plans. And in Shabarimala, it is an ideal combination of Bhakti, because we do Mala, we do all the penance, 41 days Vrita. It is having deeper significance of physical, mental, spiritual cleansing. You become physically better. You eat sattvic food, you have spiritual, then you have emotional and mental purification. You move away from the world, you have your own lifestyle, then you have a spiritual cleansing. That means you come here, you pray, you go to path. And one sad thing, whenever in these stages, we only hear praises about ourselves, our positive points, our greatness. It is true, we are one of the greatest civilizations, we have a lot of positive points. But we also have some negative points, some weaknesses. We should address those weaknesses, negative points. Unless we use these kind of spaces and platforms to correct our wrongdoings, to correct our mistakes, we will never be able to cleanse it and clarify it. Our ancient Hindu system have survived the great many foreign forces want to destroy it, but it retained pristine purity. Like yesterday I was mentioning, yoga, Ayurveda, Dhyana, spirituality, Agniyada, Kshetras, they all survived thousands of years. But our Bhakti Yoga is still intact. Our Jnana Yoga, our knowledge, flavor for knowledge has got a bit increased. That's the reason why if somebody asks you the difference between Shastra and Ayurveda, if they ask you the difference between Subramanya and Durga, if they ask you these kind of in-depth questions, we are at loss. Of course, if we pray to God, He will give us blessings, prosperity. He doesn't want us to know the intricate details, but we should be doing it because it is our history, our spirituality, and Shastra is a Vedic deity which is 5,500 years old. And Shabarimala was constructed, consecrated by sage Parshurama or Lord Parshurama. That's the reason why Kerala is, you might have heard in tourism, God's own country. You know, Kerala, they have a nature. The God's own country is basically inspired by the idea of Bhargava Kshetra. Kerala is called Parshurama Kshetra, or the Kshetra means place where Parashurama, and he constipated the Shasta temple. And Ayyappa was born in Vilayam, where he joined Shaiva Dharma, Vaishnava Dharma. He put forward the Ayya and Appa together, and he was born. In a similar way, our systems, many people come, they pray, they go, they get all they want, they get all they pray for. But they hardly know these kind of in-depth things. The difference between Shasta and Ayyappa, the difference between Magara Jyoti and Magara, the difference between why young women are not allowed. Many people ask, do you think God is anti-woman? Why is Ayyappa not for young women? Why is he not allowing them? So this is a very fashionable argument. I ask them back, there is something called Shabarimala for women. You might have heard Athigal Pongala. Athigal Pongala is the largest congregation of women, largest sammelanam of women world over. 30 lakh women participate in that Athigal Pongala. So we told in court, is God as anti-man? Is that the reason why no man is offering Pongala? That is not like that. Every temple has a unique temple concept, or they say the Mula Vigraham, the Mula Pradishta is having a unique concept. There is something called a Mula Mantra. I was talking to the Swamis earlier. They asked me, what is Mula Mantra? I said, in simple language, you might all use computers. Mula Mantra is something like a password. A password through which you can unlock the energy, say that. And who is a Tantri or high priest or supreme priest and Geshanti? A person who does Prana Pratishta giving life to Swami, who takes care of the Swami, Geshanti or the priest. And they are the people who will invoke this. I would request humbly all the devotees, all the truth seekers, all the bhakti yogis or jnana yogis, understand, and our children, for their age, really bhakti yoga is needed. They need not go into in-depth philosophy. But when they come up, they should be taught all these subtle aspects, all these in-depth aspects. And I was visiting his home. I was talking to his daughter. I was talking to his daughter, talking to his family. And after we used dating that concept. Right now, I don't know. What is the population of Malaysia? What is the population of Malaysia? 3.7 crores. 27 million. No, I say 2.7 crores. 27 million. 270 lakhs. In India, India's population, the second largest populous nation in the world, is 121 crores. The world population, that means human beings like us, world over is around 700 crores. You might have read in the newspaper that almost 2 weeks ago, the 700 crore baby, whose name is Nargis, was born in India. 700 crore. In the same way, the world population, the Mother Prithvi Devi or Bhumi Devi's population is 700 crores. Our race, which is called Homo sapiens in science, starting from Prajapati Manu in the earlier times, the earliest of civilizations, Manu, almost they say 6,000 to 10,000 crore people have lived in the face of this earth. Almost 10,000 crore people like us, they have lived, studied, they brought up, they prayed, they died, born again. Almost 10,000 crore. And the modern science says, the forensic science says, science and technology says, not even one in this 10,000 crores. In the 10,000 kodi, in the 10,000 crores, in the past 1 lakh years, in the kind of 1 lakh years, 10,000 kodi initial, not even one person will have your same fingerprint, will have your same thumb impression. That's the reason why in modern laptops and all, you have fingerprint identification. In London, where I stay, where I study and all, they don't have passwords. Whenever they go, they either use any of these fingers, or they have something called the retina scan, which you might have seen in English movies, the retina scan, or they have palm scan. Just imagine, when atheists, those who deny God, talk to me, they ask me, what is the proof of God? I tell them, the simplest proof of God. In this 1 centimeter, there are 10,000 crore permutations and combinations.